Hello students and welcome to Short Sir's classes. This is an awareness video after many of our viewers like you requested, and we are now going to go over the details about the AFCAT entrance exam. So what is the AFCAT? The AFCAT stands for the Air Force Common Admission Test, and it's also called the Indian Air Force exam. And this is basically a national level competitive examination in which, after you crack it, you get to become a part of our elite men who serve in the Air Force. The pride, the honor, the glory, and the money is there at the Indian Air Force. So, it broadly, the Indian Air Force is currently of three types. Let's say one is the flying branch, the second is the technical branch, and the third is the ground duty branch. So you could be part of any of these three. Either you could be part of the flying branch and you could be shooting down enemy air force, enemy fighter jets at over 23,000 feet at Mach 2, Mach 3, using missiles and your multi-barrel cannon. Or you could be part of the mechanical and electronic aspects while on ground duty. And this is the technical branch, the mechanical and electronic aspects, where you get to maintain these majestic flying beasts which take down Air Force pilots, and these are basically their life, and you get to maintain that. In a way, another person's life is on your hands, and this person is protecting the nation. So you are protecting the nation by serving its carriage, his carriage, and it's a daunting task. And there's the third branch, which is ground duty branch, which comprises of administration, accounts, logistics, education, and the most important, I think, is meteorology. Without meteorology, these planes won't be able to go off the ground. And without administration, without keeping a flow of accounts, without keeping track of logistics, and without this general awareness, which is education, people won't know what the Air Force is doing. Right. So let's move on to the eligibility criteria. Right. So the required age for giving this exam is about 20 to 24 age at the time of commencement. If the candidate has a valid and current commercial pilot license issued by the DGCA of India, the age limit is relaxed to 26 years. So it's better when you are after leaving school that you apply for a commercial pilot license, and if you do that and you pursue your studies alongside or after you get your commercial pilot license, then your age will be relaxed, or you can do your studies, for example, in the mechanical engineering or the electronics engineering or any other field in engineering, and you can apply for a commercial engineering after passing out from engineering, or any other field if you want to apply. So you can do that. So in the technical and ground duty, the age limit is 20 to 26 years at the time of commencement. But you absolutely have to be an Indian, and you have to be unmarried at the time of enrollment for the exam. Okay, so your educational qualifications should be at the 10 plus 2 level at the minimum, and you have to have at least 60% marks, and you have to have physics and mathematics at the 10 plus 2 level. Okay, so students who are also in their final year, in their 3 or 4 year college courses like engineering, like BCom, in fact, BA, BSc, people can still apply. As long as you have 10 plus 2, plus you are doing a degree, you have physics and mathematics at 10 plus 2, and you are pursuing a degree in any field, and you have a minimum of 60% in your recognized university, then you can apply for the AFCAT examination. Just remember that if you are in your final year, you can apply as well, but you should not have any backlog or any supplementary exams left over from your previous semesters, because you won't be able to produce your certificate at the stipulated date in the advertisement. Okay, so let's go over the syllabus of the examination. The syllabus comprises of general awareness. It comprises of history, geography, environment, civics, basic sciences, defense, since you're going into the defense sector, and it comprises of art, culture, current affairs, politics. Yeah, that's why it's called general awareness. They expect you to be aware of your surroundings at the time of writing the examination. Okay, that being said, you also have to be very proficient in your verbal ability in English, and they will give you, for example, a sentence, and they will ask you to find some errors in the sentence, or they will give you half a sentence which is incomplete, and they will ask you to complete the sentence, and they'll give you let's say they'll give you a word, and you have to think of another word with the same meaning, and you have to give either that word or a number of words, or you have to give the opposite of a word, which is called an antonym. The previous one was called a synonym, and this is called an antonym. All right. So they'll also test your vocabulary, and maybe not too hard, but they maintain a general standard every year. Okay, so coming to the mathematics section, you will have numerical ability, which is the normal basic profit and loss, percentages, general arithmetic as a whole. Basically, simple interest, ratio proportion, decimal fraction. These topics may look very simple on paper, but they have a huge collection of problems, collection of the types of problems they can be doing, right? So that is important. You have to keep practicing how to crack those numerical ability examinations. Okay, the last is the reasoning and military aptitude test, and these will test your verbal and spatial ability. Okay, let's come to the marks distribution. You will get general awareness. You will have basically you will have 100 questions in all, and generally you will have a duration of 2 hours. So generally you will have 1.2 minutes to do a single question, and the marks per question is 3 for all the subjects. So you will have to be quick and prompt, or else you'll miss out on those 3 marks per question. Okay. So how do you apply for this? There's a form that goes online during the months of September, August. During the months of August, September, you will be updated in June, and usually the AFCAT exam takes place twice a year. One is the February examination, and one is the August and September examination. And so you will have to check online at www.career airforce.nic.in. Okay, so once that is done, we can move on to the fee structure. For a general unreserved male who's applying, the fee is nominal, which is 100. And for ST, or if you're an SC, or if you are in fact a woman, that is a female candidate, you require absolutely no fee. That is, the exam is virtually free, because 100 bucks is nothing in today's scenarios. So basically, this is a nominal amount. Let's move on to how do you prepare. So you can apply for our online classes. That is, we have two structures. That is, the regular online classes plus the doubt clearing extra sessions plus the weekly mock test, and you'll get a complete analysis of your uh, proceedings in any subject. And the second is pre-recorded lectures. So all of the lectures will be sent to you, and you can view them on any device on and you can view them any number of times. There's no problem. And all of these lectures that we send you are custom fit for you, or custom fit for the course you are applying for. You will get doubt clearing sessions plus weekly mock tests, but you will get a complete analysis of your proceedings as you do in your mock test. All right. So we also have live classes. Live classes are held at New Delhi and Calcutta, weekdays and weekend batches. We can provide you with free study material if you enroll for our live classes. And we have weekly doubt clearing session, plus you'll have a video backup, and you will have those mock tests with complete analysis, right? So this sounds like a very good idea to join our courses. You can also, however, if you want to study by yourself, if you're confident in yourself, then you can apply for our study materials, which is absolutely fantastic. The study material is exhaustive of the course. You cannot, like, the course there are a number of books, and each is really heavy and it's pretty exhaustive. So usually, yeah, you those books will be covering your entire syllabus. You need not worry. But if you feel the need to excel, say suppose you want to be in the top 10 of the examination, say you want to be in the top 50 of the examination, you can apply for our courses. And there are students who have cracked our AFCAT courses. Okay, so you can order from this link at www.amazon.in/so and so. Just take a screen cap of this, or you can just save it or pause this video right here and write it down and order it as soon as possible, because those stocks are very limited, and we people are buying so much that we are running out really soon. So if you order it and if it's out of stock, it will take a few days until it's back in stock again. So you will have to keep a watch on when this will be available again. So it's recommended that you keep an eye out now, or you order immediately. And if you want to contact us, this is our website and our email, www.sauravsirclasses.com. And you can email us at sauravdas3366@gmail.com, or you can email us at sauravsirclasses@gmail.com, and you can call us at 98367930076. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this was informative, and please stay tuned for more such info.